Do you know that feeling you get when you learn that you've been overcharged? Most Americans who are paying for ordinary things like prescription drugs, dental care, eye care are being taken advantage of. Each time you make a purchase, someone is profiting who doesn't have your best interests at heart. Consumers are normally helpless and become victims of overpricing tactics. By themselves, individuals don't stand a chance. Your pastor, along with other Christian leaders, have teamed together to protect you from an unfair marketplace by introducing the Smart Card USA. SMART stands for Saving Money by Accessing Resources Together. It's the power of unity. If you could save several hundreds or even a few $1,000s, would that be a blessing to you and your family? The cost of not becoming a Smart Card holder is immeasurable. With the Smart Card, you'll save up to 40% when you purchase vitamins and supplements and receive discounts on hotel and other travel expenses. And there's more, including lifestyle and entertainment purchases. That's why the National Baptist Convention of America is partnering with the National Church Benefits Organization to offer the Smart Card to you. Through unity, we create buying power which causes vendors to lower their prices for our members. Becoming a member is easy. It only requires $20 per month for individuals, and $24.95 per month covers an entire family. Immediately, you'll begin saving money whenever you make purchases, like office supplies, floral arrangements, and save 10 to 25% on rental car services with companies like Avis, Hertz, National, and Budget. But that's not all. Smart Card members will also receive a $5,000 guaranteed issue term life insurance policy for the cardholder, underwritten by Hartford Life. Additionally, it includes a $2,500 policy for the spouse and $1,000 per child. Guaranteed means acceptance regardless of medical history for anyone under age 65. All this and more is available to you when you become a Smart Card member. The truth is, you'll be spending money on things every day for the rest of your life. And unless you're a Smart Card member, you are overspending. Get smart today. Visit our website at www.smartcardusa.net or see a church representative. People are getting smart all over the USA. Don't be left out. Get smart now.